Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you, on your request, how I make my snowballs cookies. First ingredient, in this bowl I have all-purpose flour, and to that I'm gonna jump into my pecan. I'm using pecan for this recipe, for this cookie. Pecan is the best taste for these cookies. So if you can find pecan, if you don't have pecan, and just use toasted almonds. This is toasted pecan cut into small pieces. I'm gonna add this to my flour. Nothing else is in the flour, it's only plain flour, my pecan, and then I'm using powdered sugar that goes in as well. Get it out. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this all, and my oven is preheating 400 Fahrenheit. Get a tray ready, lined with parchment paper, a large tray, because this is going to make a large amount of cookies, and they are going to be smaller anyway. So they are smaller cookies, so they are gonna be for these 2 cups of flour, you're gonna get a lot of cookies. So let's mix that all together, and now we're gonna add the butter. Softened butter at room temperature, unsalted. Now let's try to make this. You can do this by hand or in a stand mixer. Add in my vanilla extract. Oops. Eyeballing about 1 teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon. And now I'm gonna switch by hand. More easier that way. I already washed my hand. Now we're gonna mix this until form a nice smooth dough. We don't need to add water. We're not gonna add any water. Just mix a softened butter. Will create the texture of the smooth dough in this mixture, in this cookie, in this recipe. So just keep mixing by hand. You can wear gloves. Alright guys, I already mixed the dough, and this is how it looks like. This is how it's gonna be, but it is very smooth. If you want to do this by hand, just grab one portion like that, but try to make it like even, like equal pieces, equal round cookie. You can just do this just like that. Or I'm just gonna, by the way, I have some powdered sugar over here, which we're gonna roll the cookie after the cookie done. So I have this small ice cream scoop. I'm gonna use that, so each cookie will be the same size. Just do it this way, and then, so now you guys can see the one I grabbed by hand is smaller than the cookie, the ice cream scoop that I have used. So let's check this out. So this is, now I'm gonna break this, and I'm gonna do everything just like that with the ice cream scoop, and then it will be so close to be baking. Okay guys, I have done rolling the cookies, and you can see how perfectly they comes out, and easily same size and everything, except these guys a little bit smaller than his friends. That's fine, it's gonna be mine anyway. So this is going to bake in my preheated oven 400, and then I will see you after baking. Remove the cookies from the cookie sheet and line them on a cookie rack. Let them cool, not for too long, just for like 5 to 7 minutes. And when the cookie get warm, then we're gonna start rolling them into the powdered sugar. So my cookies was baking for 15 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit, and then I let them cool for 15 minutes just on my counter on the cookie rack, and then I transfer this back to my baking tray, which is not hot anymore, so that when I put the powdered sugar, when I roll them into powdered sugar, and I'm gonna put them back here, so the powdered sugar is not gonna make mess on my counter. So I already have this little one to try. So what you're gonna do is roll them into the powdered sugar and put them back here, just like that. We're gonna do all of them, and then we're gonna let it sit for like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna redo it again. Double coat them into powdered sugar. Okay guys, now I'm gonna double coat them into the powdered sugar, and the second time when you roll them into powdered sugar, you will see the cookie will have a nice coating with the sugar compared to the first time, because the cookie was warm, so it absorbs the sugar a little bit, and now the cookie is getting a little bit colder, so now you will see the differences. So coat all of them and then you're done. It is so delicious. You guys have to try this. Let me know in the comment section below how did you like it, and you can also post a picture on my Instagram account so I can have a chance to see. And this is how it looks like. Snowballs. Your request. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Written ingredient will be in the description box down below. See you next time. Bye.